Hi, this is Sara of Spa and Wellnessing Getaway, and I'm here at Grand Velas Riviera Maya, and I am enjoying the Wellnessing Getaway, which is a concept they started many years ago in Grand Velas Riviera Maya, and I was there for the inaugural celebration of the Wellnessing Getaway. And now, many years later, they are still going strong and providing a really exceptional wellness experience. So over the few days, there's a variety of different activities and workshops. Since I've been here, I have enjoyed the longevity talk workshop with Dr. Patricio Ochoa, and the cycling class with Rolla, and a wonderful dinner last night in the hotel. Of course, the spa features heavily. The hydrotherapy here is fantastic, with sauna, steam, cold room, a clay room where you put masks over the body and then rinse off, and experienced showers, hot jacuzzi, cold plunge, hot and cold KNEIPP walk, and the hydrotherapy pool with different jets and bubble beds. And I've had a wonderful massage treatment, which is the sun and moon stone massage. So it's a combination of hot stones and cold stones, and the contrast between the two temperatures in the oil massage was absolutely fantastic. Really enjoyable treatment. And the other activities that we did today are running. We got up at 7 a.m. and did a run. We did a Pilates workshop on the beach, and we had a smoothie bar with protein smoothies prepared for us, which was fantastic. We did a mocktail workshop, which was really fantastic. They had a tequila, alcohol-free tequila that had a little spicy kick to it, which was very delicious. So we prepared our own mocktails, and we did an ice bath out in the garden, one of my favorite things to do. So it's really been an incredible few days here at Grand Velas. Thank you for inviting me. Ciao.